In this video we are gonna talk about the separation techniques.
Filtration. This method can be used to separate an insoluble solid from a liquid. For example, filtering tea or any other infusion, or filtering water to make it drinkable. This process involves the use of a filter paper placed in a filter funnel. The funnel is placed in a beaker and the mixture of water and sand is poured into the funnel. The liquid part drains through the filter paper into the beaker, leaving the solid sand particles trapped on the filter. In filtration, the liquid part collected is called filtrate, and the solid bit that remained on the filter paper is called residue.
Distillation is a way of separating two liquids from a mixture by evaporating one and then condensing the vapor and transporting it to another recipient with a condenser. The steps to do the distillation, it is a process. The process of distillation begins with heating a liquid to boiling point. Then the liquid evaporates, forming a vapor. The vapor is then cooled, usually by passing it through pipes or tubes at a lower temperature, and then the cooled vapor condenses, forming a distillate liquid.
Magnetism is ideal for separating mixtures of two solids with one part having magnetic properties. Some metals like iron, nickel, and cobalt have magnetic properties, while gold, silver, and aluminum do not. Crystallization can be defined as the process through which the atoms of a substance arrange themselves in a well-defined three-dimensional lattice and consequently minimize the overall energy of the system. When a substance is subjected to crystallization, its atoms or molecules bind together through well-defined angles. The process of crystallization is: first, the solution is heated in an open container. Then the solvent molecules start evaporating, leaving behind the solids. When the solution cools, crystals of solids start accumulating on the surface of the solution. Crystals are collected and dried as per the product requirement. The undissolved solid in the liquid are separated by the process of filtration. The size of crystals formed during this process depends on the cooling rate. A large number of tiny crystals are formed if the solution is cooled at a fast rate. Large crystals are formed at slow cooling rates.
Well, I'm going to talk about the decantation method, which works for solids and two liquids or more. Well, what is decantation? Decantation is the process of separation of liquid from solid and another immiscible liquids by removing the liquid layer at the top from the layer of solid or liquid below. Well, here we can see, well, at least for the solids, you can see like all the mud going down, and then we separate it by getting the water in another glass of water. So we can see this in our daily world by I don't know, when we drink lemonade, you can see all the sugar getting down when you finish. So all the sugar is getting down and you drink all the water. So maybe there's a little bit of sugar, but it's minimum. So that's the decantation method, that is getting the heaviest thing down and getting the top matter of the recipient. Well, here we can see in a liquid example, which is oil and water. It also can be vinegar or something like that, that have more density from the water, so we can say that it's kind of easy getting the oil from the water. Well, that's the decantation method.